Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Saraswati Coaching Classes of class 9th Biology. Still, if you're not subscribed our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you can get all the videos related to the syllabus from 5th to 10th CBSE. Now, in previous session we have talked about the type of cropping pattern, that is intercropping. Now we will talk about the crop rotation. The word rotation itself indicates that you have to rotate the pattern of cropping in your farm. Now why to do so? First, when I'll give you some example, सिंपल सा एग्जाम्पल हमारे डे टू डे लाइफ का. सपोज आज आपकी मम्मी ने भिंडी की सब्जी बनाई है मॉर्निंग में लंच के लिए, तो आपने भिंडी की सब्जी खाई. चलो अलग टाइप की भिंडी वो डिनर के लिए भी बनाई, फिलहाल आपने खा ही ली. Next day also same menu for both lunch and dinner, then next day also same. Then what happens? The thing which happen is that you will not get all those nutrients which you are supposed to get from the food. Why? Because you are taking same type of food, right? So same case happen in case of crops. When in your agricultural farm or the piece of land you are taking same type of crop again and again, years and years, then what happens? Suppose this is your farm और इस साल भी wheat लिया, रबी सीजन में भी वही लिया, खरीफ में भी वही, जैसे भी आ रहा हो कम ज्यादा, खरीफ में भी wheat लिया, रबी में भी लिया, प्रोडक्शन रिगार्डलेस ऑफ प्रोडक्शन, फिर बहुत ज्यादा फर्टिलाइजर अप्लाई किए, ये किया वो किया, बट सेम क्रॉप लिया, ज्यादा से ज्यादा 2 क्रॉप लिए. What happens because of that? The nutrient value of this piece of land reduces for the particular nutrient. How? Because if you are taking any cereal crop, say wheat, then that will take only a specific type of nutrient which is necessary for its growth from the soil. Clear? Means this piece of land become nutrient deficient for that particular mineral or nutrient. Most probably if you are continuing with the same, that time this soil become infertile for that particular type of crop. Why? Because the crop which you have taken earlier have consumed, absorbed all that amount of nutrient which was available into the soil. That's why we must have to change the cropping pattern, or at least the crops we are taking into the farm, that you have to change. Then how to change? There are 3 types. One is 1 year rotation, then 2 years rotation, and 3 years rotation. Means what? You are repeating any particular type of crop after either 1 year or 2 years or 3 years. ठीक है? For example, 1 year. You can have 2 crops in rotation. How? Suppose आपने maize लिया, then you can take rice, या फिर अगर आपने wheat लिया है, you can take gram, right? So 1 year rotation after a year. 2 year rotation, the number of species or variety of the crop increases. So alternate you are going for cereal, for pulses, again cereal, for pulses. Okay? Understand? See, cereal, though it is same, but either you can go for jawar, you can go for wheat, you can go for bajra. For pulses, you can go for grams, you can go for pigs, you can go for the black gram, green gram, cowpeas. Clear? Now 3 years rotation. 3 years rotation means what? Till 3 years you will not repeat any of the crop. So in this sequence, either you can take cereal crop, pulses crop, and 1 oilseed crop. So 4 3s are 12, approximate 4 month का टाइम होता है, सीजन होता है एक क्रॉप का, तो इसमें 1 साल चला जाता है. Then again you will come back to this सेम वे ऑफ क्रॉपिंग पैटर्न, बट यू आर नॉट रिपीटिंग दैट स्पेसीज। मतलब अगर पहले साल अगर आपने व्हीट लिया है तो दूसरे साल आप बाजरा लोगे, तीसरे साल आप जवार लोगे। पल्सेस के लिए अगर आपने पहले पी लिया है तो आप पहले ग्राम लोगे, फिर काउपी लोगे। ऑयल सीड्स के लिए अगर आपने पहले ग्राउंडनट लिया है तो आप मस्टर्ड के लिए जा सकते हो, देन यू गो फॉर सनफ्लावर। सो इन दिस वे, सी दिस इनिशियल wheat, bajra, jawar, you can go for the peas, you can go for the grams, you can go for the cowpeas, then you can go for the groundnut or mustard seeds or the sunflower. So what happened? The crops rotation will takes place in so efficient way that the piece of land, जो हमने ये piece of land निकाला था, that piece of land is completely flourished, enriched with the nutrients. Why? Because all these crops need different nutrient for their growth, and ultimately according to their need we are applying the fertilizer. So in one season, suppose I have added nutrient that will be used by this crop, and the remaining part will remain in that field only, that will not used by this gram seed, because they have their own ability to fix it. So that will remain in the soil, so it will be available ready-made for these oilseed crops. So ultimately yield in all these 3 seasons in a year will be tremendous, outstanding. मतलब you will not believe that कि मैंने तो 10 क्विंटल का सोचा था, मुझे तो 20 क्विंटल का मिल गया पर unit area of the land. So that will be the situation. That's why we have to follow the crop rotation. Now crop rotation के ऐसे भी benefits है कि soil is always remain flourished or fertile. The soil also contain most amount of the moisture and humus. Soil is always enriched with the macro and micronutrient as well. And at the end, what is the goal of farmer? The yield which they are getting is much more, so that they can get more and more economical benefit. Clear? Now, this is all about cropping pattern. In next session, we will talk about crop variety management. Whatever we have studied up till this time, you read it, write your own note and send me on a group. Till that time, think positive and keep smiling.